Welcome! In this short video, we will show you some features of DMS extension, which is available for both GC and HPLC. DMS instrumentation can be used in combination with hundreds of instruments supported in Clarity. And DMS detectors can be even combined with detectors from different vendors. All kinds of method parameters can be easily specified, such as the SIM or scan mode, and many other parameters. When the method is set, send it to the instrument and start the analysis. DMS spectrum can be monitored during the analysis in the data acquisition window. After analysis, review the chromatogram. Spectrum can be displayed for a specific part of graph or for the specific peak, which is displayed after clicking on the given row. Clarity also compares measured spectrum with the MS library spectrum, and you can import commercial library or create your own. In the chromatogram window, it is also possible to add temporary signals with the mass to charge ratio. The result table contains all results, including the amounts. MS offsetting mode allows to offset different signals to the same baseline level while keeping the ratio of the signals. As you can see, in the connected calibration, each compound is quantified on a different signal. And the results are printed easily, and you specify what is printed. You can select from graphs, spectrums, to methods and headers and footers. The Clarity SDK also allows manufacturers to develop instrument drivers. So download and try our free demo today at datapex.com. Thank you for watching and let me know how you liked it.